Hi creators! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe InDesign on your PC, Mac, or laptop for free. Just click the link in the description to go to the InDesign free trial page and follow along with me step by step. First, use the link below to go directly to Adobe's official InDesign trial page. It's important to ensure your device meets the system requirements, as InDesign is a professional desktop publishing software that works best on a properly configured system. This will help you avoid any potential issues during installation. Once you're on the page, click to start your free trial. You will see 3 plans to choose from. Choose the individual plan, which gives you full access to InDesign and its comprehensive layout design tools. Here's a bonus tip. On the same page, you'll also see an option to sign up for Adobe Stock. I highly recommend checking that box, as it gives you an additional 7-day free trial for Adobe Stock. Plus, you get 10 free premium assets like high-quality images, fonts, templates, and graphics, which you can use directly in your InDesign layouts and publications. Just make sure to cancel on time if you don't want to be charged later. Next, sign in or create your Adobe account. It's simple and only takes a few moments. Adobe will also ask for a payment method, but don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the cancellation steps. I always suggest setting a calendar reminder, just to be safe. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is your central hub for installing and managing InDesign. Once installed, launch Creative Cloud, locate InDesign in the list of available applications, hit install, and let it do its thing. Depending on your internet connection and system performance, the installation may take several minutes, so sit back and relax while it downloads. And that's it. You now have Adobe InDesign fully installed and ready to use for the next 7 days, plus 10 free Adobe Stock assets if you grab that offer too. This is the perfect way to explore InDesign's powerful page layout features and create professional brochures, magazines, books, and digital publications. Remember to click the link in the description to start your free trial and follow the steps in this video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy how-to guides like this, and tap the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following tutorial. Take care.